Good morning, my little kittens. So today I want to show you how you can achieve this prom makeup, which I'm obsessed about, and I will show you 3 different colors that you can add to this makeup to make it as you want. So no more talk and let's jump in. So first of all, we're gonna apply the face cream. I'm so excited for this series because sometimes I wish I was still in high school to get ready for prom. You know that moment when an older person just tells you when you are in high school that you are gonna miss those years because you are only going one time in life in high school. And yes, after some years I can say that I already miss those years. I mean, I feel a little bit nostalgic about these years. I don't know. Foundation. Now we're gonna blend this. Make sure that you choose the the right foundation for your skin type when you are doing your makeup for prom, because you don't want to look like too orange or something. Blend this on your neck too. Now eyebrows. And for this makeup look, I will make them a little bit more fluffier than usual because I want to have that fluffy look. I will elongate them a little bit here. Now this one. Sorry, I'm on silent mode now when I'm concentrated here. Now I will clean them a little bit here. Now let's do the magic, and for this look today I'm gonna use this palette, which is a really cheap one and it's from Primark, and these colors are super pigmented, so just go and get these if you can. So first of all, I'm gonna put a white eyeshadow on my eyes to set them. You can use also face powder for this, setting powder. I wanna set this so well. Now I will set this eye. We'll take a little bit more. I'm so excited for this makeup look. I think I never did one like this. Now first of all, I'm gonna take this shade right here. And I will start to pack the color. Now I'm gonna apply some here in my inner corners. Now I'm gonna take this fluffy blending brush and I'm gonna blend this all. Now I will take this one and I will pat the color again. I'm slowly starting to build up the color here. I'm slowly building this up because if we do this from one time, this will look bad, and it's better to create the shade and the shape gradually. Now I will take a little bit of black and I will apply it gently here. I'm gonna put the black also here. Oh my god, this looks so strange right now, but I swear this will look good. Now we're blending this. Now I will take a little bit of foundation and we're gonna clean this mess here. I feel like a doctor right now. I'm so concentrating here. Now I will take the fluffy brush and I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna blend the edges. Now we're gonna do the eyeliner. Now I'm gonna apply the eyelashes and I'm gonna do this eye and we're going back. Now eyelashes are done, let's do the face. I'm gonna bronze my face a little bit. And we are done for the prom, girls. It's not a very complicated makeup. You can do it in less than 1 hour. For this type of dress, you can do a dark makeup. And we can also do the white version of this makeup with this beautiful white eyeliner. it's the same technique involved, and it also goes so well with the black dress. Or this, which is a really colorful one, and it also goes so well with the black dress. So if you would ask me which one I would choose, I would probably go for the darker one, because I like darker colors, but I still love this one so much because I just love makeup with pink. I don't know, I just love pink on makeup. I really wish that I inspired you with this makeup, and I wish you a very good experience with your prom, and thanks for being here. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job, and now we are looking fabulous. If you like this makeup, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to find my kid!